Hi you guys, I'm Nikki, mother of 6, wife, content creator, and dreamer, and this is our journey. We gave up everything to move home to take care of our parents and restore our 100-year-old home. So grab your coffee, get cozy, and let's renovate one room at a time. Alright dolls, let's jump right into the cozy. So it helps me better visualize when everything is bare, so I removed everything from the living room. I washed a few cushions and now I can see where I want to place everything. I also like to go back and look at the before and after of each video. So yeah, we just removed everything and we're going to start off by placing our throw blankets down. Now my colors for this year, I really want warm tones. I always want warm tones, but I really want more burgundy than orange. So I am going in with a lot of burgundy pillows. I am going in with a burgundy throw blanket. It also has cream, white, and black. And I am going to try to tie all of this together as well as pop in colors of brown and orange. Now I am all for straight lines and to have everything folded perfect, but I really want to cozy it up, so I'm gonna scrunch up our throw blankets and kind of bend and flip them just to make it seem a bit cozier than so straight, because I noticed that in my decor videos I tend to go towards everything being upright. So if you notice here, I'm putting the pillows to the side. This bothered me so much. I normally have the pillows right in front of the other pillows. Like it has to be a certain way. And when it's not, it just bothers me. Like I don't want to cattle corner the chair. I need it to be straight across and be directly in the center of the window. So I am trying to be better at kind of mix and matching things. So I am, notice the pillow here, I kind of turned it straight in front of the other pillow, and then I was like, you know what, let me just turn it to the corner. Notice the blanket, I am folding it and I am putting it directly in front of the other pillow, and it's in a straight line. And then I realized, no, that's not what I want to do. I am trying to get out of having everything so perfect. So I am just going to twist and turn and bunch it up and place it in the center. Now everything about this bothered me, but I feel like I'm just too sharp with things, and I don't know how to explain it. I want to loosen up a bit. So if you notice me, like, I'm trying. I don't know how to say it, but I am trying. And I am turning the pillows sideways, and I just read a few things and watched a few videos. Like, this helps with me wanting things to be perfect and in line so much. Like, start small, start tilting a little bit, and then everything will be easier. So that's what we are here. But I am adding these pillows in this color, this mustard color, because it goes with the painting that is on the wall. I love that artwork. I received it as an anniversary gift, I believe. So I have that in the center above the sofas. I am also placing burgundy here. Now at first I didn't think the orange and the burgundy went together. I struggled with that, but once everything tied together, it was perfect. I am now adding my plant stand behind the chair. I am not going to add my real plants here because I will struggle removing those to water each week. So I'm just going to add some faux flowers, a cute little pumpkin, and kind of layer this area just to make it a bit cozier. Now for the table, I love my little Japanese table, by the way. So for the table, I am going to use a tablecloth, and I am going to bunch this up as well to make it look like a huge fall leaf. I am going to add a plate in the center with pine cones, pumpkins, and our flower bouquet that we picked up. Now I change out the floral every week when I go to the grocery store, so this may change. You may see the change in other videos, but for now, this is what we have out. Now we are working on the wall. So I am hanging a metal wicker basket and I'm going to fill it up with pine cones, faux pumpkins, and faux fall floral. I think this is a cute little piece to add to the wall. I am also adding some smaller artwork pieces to the wall. I normally stick to just one piece on the wall, and I just think that piece is a statement, but I am going to fill it in. Again, you guys, I am working on not being so much of a minimalist, okay? So I am going to add it here, and hopefully it ties in together and it doesn't look cluttered. I think it looked good so far. I do see how some people can think like, oh no, the wall is bare, it's basic, it needs company, you need to add something. So I am trying my hand at that this year. I found two pieces that were actually gifted to us, and it gave a cottage feel. It gives a cottage feel, and I absolutely love them, so I am going to hang them up. Now, working on this wall was the last piece of creating a cozy fall or autumn living room. So I am super excited for you guys to see the before and after. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know if you started decorating already. I love you babes so much for watching. Now let's get into the before and after. Oh, by the way, I am a vintage girly. We all know this. And the wood around this artwork was perfect. Now let's get into the before and after.